Hello, Internet viewers. Today's discussion, we're going to be talking about the pressure controls and spray controls for the A1 mist sprayer. Right here is the electronic solenoid valve that controls the sprayer's on-off function. Here is the regulator for the A1 on-off sprayer. So, first, this solenoid valve, let me bring this back up. This is the solenoid valve 252, and this is an update. This is the B1. The WP is the waterproof connector here instead of just push-on terminals or pigtails. So the way this works is there's an electromechanical solenoid that, when activated, pulls that plunger into the center of the magnetic field. Here, this is the valving accomplished by that washer, an O-ring in there, rubber seal here, O-ring on the outside. So, when the plunger is lifted, fluid can flow down and out to the spray heads. When it's deactivated, it passes straight through into this device. This one connects up to it and goes to the back to the mix tank, the return to the mix tank. So this thing controls the pressure with tension on that spring. It also goes straight through. It feeds from the bottom and passes to the return line. Dependent upon how much pressure is applied by the screw, more or less goes into the return line. When we have this all the way up, more pressure is given to the solenoid. The pump output is here, the spray head is there, the return to the tank is here. So as we allow more pressure to go to the spray heads, this is going to move in the opposite direction and put less tension or more tension on the spring, thereby building up the pressure. So what can we do about this to increase the flow? This one is set for 8 gallons per minute. Our pump is 10 gallons per minute. So we should go with the 10 gallon per minute device, which probably only has a larger orifice here in the middle. However, we can go to 18 gallons per minute, which might give us a lot of breathing room. This one, $123. The 10 gallons, $122. But the 18 is $50 more at $176. Not a real great choice. This regulator assembly here is normally held in by this roll pin. I just pushed it out. And of course this one could go back into service, but as disassembling it, I noticed, oops, this got screwed in too tight, and it's cracked all the way down past the end of the valve connector. So obviously this one leaks and is only going to get worse, probably split. So we're going to have to get a new one of those. List price, these puppy duppies are $50. But of course I found one much cheaper, and on Amazon I even got a better deal than that. I've already ordered it. It's on its way. The only question is, what are we gonna do here? Of course, we have another option. Simply by replacing the return flow, regulating it with the spring, we could just put a valve on there and have no return, or regulate the return to get our exact pressure that we're looking for. So that's our options. We'll decide, just letting everybody know.